Imagine yourself in this 2011 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck limited. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are tow hitch, 4-wheel drive, tow hooks, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, fog lamps, privacy glass, sliding rear window and premium sound system. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.